Welcome to the ultimate guide to boosting your productivity and energy in just 30 minutes a day. You're probably no stranger to the idea of a morning routine, but what if I told you that a specific 30-minute morning routine has been trending on social media and among high achievers in 2026, with thousands of people reporting increased motivation, energy, and productivity after incorporating it into their daily lives? This routine is not about spending hours meditating or exercising, but rather about making the most of a short, focused window of time to set yourself up for success. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own 30-minute morning routine that will boost your energy and productivity. So, what makes this 30-minute morning routine so effective? The key is to prioritize a combination of physical, mental, and emotional preparation. Let's break it down into three essential components. First, physical preparation. This is where many people go